Okay, so today in the online textbook, this chapter, we're going to be talking about replacing screens in the Dell E6500. So as you can see, screen not working, nothing's happening with this. So we're going to begin the process of replacing this screen. So the first step is flip the laptop upside down. You're going to see a nice little cover plate holding all the parts on the bottom. There's one screw in the center. Make sure your screwdriver is on the left. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the screw holding this. Note the screw will not actually come out of the plate. It's connected to a spring mechanism, so it'll never actually come out. We're going to slide that right off like that, and we'll save that for later. This is a bunch of hoo-ha, but we're going to get started. So the first thing we're going to do is take off the two shoulders at the very top. These are covering where the wires will actually be removed, but this is just a good place to start. So the first thing you are going to do is there's one screw in the laptop here that you're going to place, and then another one on the top, which is already seemed to be coming out, like so, and then it slides right off. And then there's one more screw that's labeled the D screw that's inside the laptop that you also have to remove, and if not, the laptop will not actually pull out of the actual casing. So we're going to remove that now. Maybe. Right. And then we're just going to do the same with the other side. Bottom one first. The top one next. Take the shoulder off. And then finally the D screw. Alright, so now when we've got all the D screws out, next thing we're going to do is we're going to start threading these cables out. So the first cable you're going to want to get out is right here on the very bottom of the laptop. It has two connectors, a white cable to a white connector and a black cable to a black connector, and it should have a gray cable connected to nothing. So we're going to take that out next. And then you got to gently thread this through because you don't want to hurt the cable unthreading it. It's good to apply pressure forward so it bows up, and then you can ever so softly take it out under these little things. Okay. Next, there's a cable right here. It shouldn't be plugged into anything unless for some reason your laptop came with a coverage thing from a Verizon company or something like that, but if you're doing it on a school laptop, it shouldn't. So they're plugged into nothing on the side right there. And then that one's done on that side. And then on the right side, there is a power connector on the very bottom here with a little blue tab. So we're going to take that next, thread that through like so. And then there's always one little blue wire here that shouldn't be connected to anything, but it's important to make sure you get that out. That way it's not snagging and you can't remove the laptop. And then the next step is really easy. All you do is you flip the laptop on its bottom, open the screen up to a 90-degree angle, and remove it. And as you can see, the screen came out like that. Very easy. And then once you have a new screen, you just pop it back in and do everything backwards.